guys, good morning as of the time that I'm presenting this video. So guys, I noticed that some people are finding it hard to get the application, which is the BOTC app. So right here on this particular moment, so I'll be sharing with you how you can get to download it. It's very simple. So just hit on the link in the description of this video. So I will also drop the link in the video comment section so that you can be able to find it easily. So when you click on that link, it will bring you to this page. So this is actually their website. You can come up here and read up about the site and the owner of the site and so much you can know about the platform. So this is actually the countdown. So let me show you the countdown. So immediately you hit on the link to bring you to this place, and you can see that we only have 4 days to go before the listing, and these are the, as you can see, the countdown is actually reading. So as it is counting down, after 4 days now it will become listed. The offer will end, and it will get listed on these platforms. So this is the exchange platform where it will be listed: Mex Global, Hobby Pro, and OKX, and Coin W. So these are the exchange platform that we're expecting this coin to be listed, where it will become valid for use. Now when you come down here, you can see Bitcoin chain, that Bascom H. Bennett worked as a cashier at the Bank of Scorpion Force with the digital concept to provide the next generation of crypto. This is actually how this coin came about, and the idea that actually brought about this project. So when you come to this place now to download the app, which is actually the main reason why I'm making this short video, so you simply need to hit on this Android. So when you hit on this Android, for Android users, if you are an iPhone user, you simply hit on this one. So you simply need to click on this Android. So it will pop up this page like this. So you look out for this first one, which is saying China, Hong Kong. I actually gave this description while I dropped the link in the description of this video, previous video that I made about how you can get to register and verify your account and authenticate it in order to start mining. Now what you need to do now is to hit on this. So immediately you hit on this, now it will load up, and as you can see, it is downloading here. So but I'm not going to download the app again because I've already installed, and I've done the necessary thing. So this is the one you need to click, and then it will download automatically. Install it, then copy the referral link so that you can get access to the registration completely. So now you have to download it and then install fast, then follow the other video that I made on how to get registered. Then when you get to your email, when they send message to your email, simply slide your email like this. So you can slide it right, then a message interface will pop up, because when you open the mail it will be blank. So the whole mail will be blank like this place to be. If you are if you set your email address inbox to be black, to be dark in color, so this is actually how it will appear, because nothing will show there. So now what you need to do is to slide it right or slide it left, depending on the position where your own is sent to be. So that is actually how to download the app and make use of it. So guys, subscribe to my channel and also wait for my next update about how to start using this coin after it has been listed. So guys, thank you guys.